Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's look at the board and figure it out together. Can you find the last shape we did in our pattern? That will help us figure out what today is. Are you ready? Did you guess red heart? Good job. So yesterday was a red heart and it was Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. So this square was yesterday and we are going to move one square over so that we can know what today is. So today is going to be in this square. And we are going to draw the next shape in our pattern in this square so that we can know where we come back to while we're working on our calendar. So yesterday was a red heart. What do you think today is? What shape do you think we need to put in there? Do you remember? It has two names. Two names. Let's go back to the beginning and let's see if we got the right answer. Ready? Try it with me. Red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus. So did you say blue rhombus or did you say blue diamond? It has two names, a diamond or a rhombus. So we start up at the top, come down on an angle, then come down on an angle to the bottom again, back up on an angle to the side, and then back up to the top. So you can call it a rhombus or a diamond, and you can draw this on your calendar or on your piece of paper, or you can just practice drawing it in the air. Any of those is fine. So yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. That's the longest name for the days of our week. Do you remember how many days are in our week? Let's count together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Just try it with me. It's okay if you don't know it yet. We'll learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Wednesday. Let's put that into our sentence. Our sentence starts with today is, and today starts with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. Today is Wednesday. Let's learn how to spell Wednesday. It has a capital W. W is w, like watermelon or wiggly. Are you wiggly today? So Wednesday. 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 It's a big word. Big word to learn, big word to spell. So today is Wednesday, and we'll put a capital D, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y, and then a comma. And that comma tells us to pause before we say the next word. The next word is going to be the name of our month. Do you remember how many months there are in a year? Let's count them up together and see if you're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's see if we remember all of the names. You try with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is? It's the second one, right after January. Do you see it? January, February. That's right. So February begins with a capital F, F. F for ferret or funny. F. Sounds like furry. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. So let's put February into our sentence. Today is Wednesday. Capital F because it's the name of our month. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we got to put in the date. What is the number for our date? Do you remember what the date was yesterday? What was the number for yesterday? You see it on the board? 9. What comes after 9? Oh, I think I might have heard the right answer. Let's go back to the beginning of our numbers and count them all up to see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you guess 10? 10 is the first number with 2 digits. It has a 1. Can you make a 1? You can put it in the air or you can put it on your paper or your calendar. And then a 0, which is like a circle or an oval. Start up at the top and come down and go around, back up to the top. 10, a 1 and a 0. So let's put that into our calendar. 1, 0. And when we count, we say 10, but when we put it into the calendar, we say the 10th. So today is Wednesday, February 10th. And then we put a comma, and then we're going to put in the year, 2021. 2021, and then a period. And that period tells us that that's the end of the sentence, and we're not going to say any more words. We're just going to stop talking. So let's do the whole sentence together. Are you ready to try? I love it when you try. Even if you don't get it correct, it's good to try. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. Good job. Did you check the weather before we started today? What is the weather like where you live? Well, we are having really good weather this week. Is it cloudy where you live? There's no clouds where I am today. No clouds at all. Partly cloudy, partly sunny. Does that work for you? Do you see the sun, but also some clouds? I see the sun, but I don't see any clouds today. What about rainy? Is it raining where you are? Do you need to wear rain boots and an umbrella maybe? Not raining where I live. Sunny. It's sunny where I live. Is it sunny for you? Or is it maybe snowing? Not snowing where I live. So we have sunny weather today. And will you help me put it into the weather chart? The first one is sunny, so we can put it in there. And we already have 3 tally marks. 3, right? 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to add one more. 3 plus 1. What do you think 3 plus 1 makes? Do you think we should put a tally mark in there and then we can count them up and see if we have the right answer? Tally mark starts up at the top and then strike it down. Are you ready? Do it with me as I put it in the chart. You can do it on your paper or in the air. Start at the top and strike down. So we had 3 and we added one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you guess 4? We have 4 tally marks. That means 4 sunny days so far. That is really exciting. So let's go to our calendar. And yesterday I wanted to make flowers for all of my neighbors. And I did that. I made flowers and I didn't even put a note with it. I just put flowers in their mailbox and they don't know where it came from. They just got a happy little flower in their mailbox. Little surprise. So that was nice. So I'm going to check that off because I did that. Oh, that's not a very dark one. Let's pick a darker one. So I did that one, so I'm checking that off. And then I'm going to practice today's date. We're going to start with a capital W because it's the name of the day. EDNESDAY. And then comma. I don't know if I have enough room for February there. Do you think I do? Wednesday's such a big word. Let's see if I can print it really small. Let's see. Capital F, because it's the name of the month. EBRUARY. I got it to fit. Whew, that was close. So then I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning here, and it's a 10th. So I'm going to put a 1 and a 0, and then a comma, and then I'm going to put the year, 2021. And I want to practice making my numbers. So I'm going to make all my numbers up to the number 10 today. You can say them with me, or you can practice them on your paper, or you can practice them in the air too. That's kind of fun. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I almost ran out of room. 10. And today, did I say it was sunny? I'm already forgetting. Sunny. So I'm going to make my sun. And today I am going to make a little puzzle note. It's like a puzzle envelope, but also the note, and I write a little message inside, and then I'm going to give it to somebody. And you can try it too, because I'm going to make a video and post it on our channel. So you can give it a try. And it kind of looks like this. You fold up your paper after you make your little message on it. And then there's a little tab here with an arrow. And we draw on it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I might make a couple of them, but I know I'm going to make one for sure. I hope you try them as well. I'm going to print my name so I practice every day. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So practice printing your name every day so you get really good at it. And if you don't know how to make all your letters or your words for the date yet, just practice with a letter today. If you practice a letter every day, you'll get really good at your letters and you'll be able to print words very soon. So let's do it together. You can do it in the air or you can do it on your paper. We'll start at the top and we'll do one line down. This is called an uppercase B. One line down and then two bumps. Good job. Let's try one more time. Line down and then two bumps. Good job. And this is a lowercase b. We're going to make a line again, straight down, and then just one bump. Let's try that one more time. A line down and then one bump. Good job. You practice making a letter every day. Soon you'll be able to print all the letters and make lots of different words. So how are you feeling today? Yesterday I was feeling happy, just kind of relaxed and easygoing, nothing to complain about. It was just a good day. How do you think I'm feeling today? Well, I'm going to take this one because this was yesterday's. I'm just kind of happy. Are you happy today? I hope you're happy today. This one's falling down, so I'm going to take him out first. Is he nervous? Might be nervous. What do you think? I do have a lot to do today. Am I excited? I haven't folded those little mystery notes in a long time. I don't know. Am I excited or do you think I'm nervous to make those? Do you think I might forget how to make them? Do you think I'm sad? I might be sad if they don't work out. That would be sad. I might get frustrated maybe. Angry or frustrated if they don't work out. But I don't feel angry or frustrated yet. So I think I'm just a little bit nervous that they might not work out. But I'm kind of hopeful that they will work out. So maybe I'm just a little bit nervous. Let's put nervous. Anxious maybe? Anxious might be a good word. And today, for my Being Kind activities, I am going to leave my little puzzle note somewhere for somebody to find. And I think it's going to be my friend. I think that'll be a very nice surprise for her. Do you think you would like to make a puzzle note and leave it somewhere for somebody to find? If you don't want to make a puzzle note, you can just leave any kind of note. And if you don't know how to print, you can just draw a picture on your paper and you can put it on your grown-up's pillow, or you can put it on the kitchen table, or you can fold it up and put it in the mailbox. You can put it in your mailbox for your grown-up to find, or you can put it in your neighbor's mailbox. It's just something nice and kind to do, a little surprise for them, and shows them how much you appreciate them. If you don't want to do any of that, I hope you find something else that's kind to do today. I hope you have a great day and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.